loves to plan, welcome back to my channel. So here I am back in my Hobonichi cousin that I use as my everyday planner. And here's just a quick glimpse into last week's spread where I used the, oh gosh, I can't remember the name of the stickers now, but these stickers are from Pretty Little Studios, a Canadian shop I discovered a couple of months ago, and I love the different colors used in this spread. So for this week, I thought going back to more summery spring colors, I will be using these stickers from my newest watercolor wildflowers collection. So we've got the deco. So I decided to do the deco in the clear matte and the paint swatches in the clear matte sticker paper. And then I decided to have the wildflower circles and the quotes in the white matte. So you can choose either sticker paper for these collections. I wanted to give both a try and see how that goes. All right, let's get started. So what I want to actually do is take this bottom sticker, which is a bit bigger, because it's 3 stickers in one basically, and place this right across the top here. Kind of like washi. Ooh, I like it. And I'm gonna do something similar, kind of going all across. Yeah, let's do that. So let's use all the stickers, all the deco. And this is a little bit weirdly shaped because I also added like a few paint splatters to the, actually, I wonder if I put a circle over that. Will that look weird? No, I don't think so. So that I cover up where it's red on the Sunday. What was I saying? When I created these stickers, or when I was drawing them out in Procreate, part of the process was to add paint splatters, but in sticker form, they just turn out to be really, really tiny dots. But they add so much character to the sticker. But then when the Silhouette machine cuts them out, you should hear the Silhouette machine go crazy when it tries to cut out those little dots. And I know it's a tiny detail and not many people will notice it, but I love it. Ooh, I like it. And I'm actually, to even it out, I'm going to place a circle on this side here, and I really don't mind that I'm covering up the 16 and the 5 because I know what days they are. Okay, so one sticker sheet done, and then I'm going to place one big circle down here at the bottom as I normally do. I like that. Okay, so I need to remember that. I love these sloth sticky notes. They make me laugh. Okay, so far I really liked using this instead of washi up at the top. So now I'm going to go in and do my sidebar. Let's zoom in for that. So with the sidebar, my process is pretty much the same every week. I brush letter in the word sleep, and then I cover that with a mini paint swatch, and then take a really cute Coffee Monsters Co. Sweet Stuffy Dreams emoji and place it there. And then I draw out the graph where I measure the amount of hours of sleep I get based on the day of the week, as well as my sleep score. And I get this all from my Fitbit. Then immediately underneath that, I brush letter in the word workout, again with the Tombow Fudenosuke pen, and then cover it with a mini paint swatch, and take another cute emoji from the Coffee Monsters Co. I love all the workout ones. I feel like working out is just that much cuter with a little squat workout emoji. And then write in all of the workouts that I'm scheduled to do for the week. I didn't do any of my workouts from last week because I woke up on Monday with a very sore neck. So I just took it easy for the rest of the week. So it'll be nice to get back into working out this week. So now we'll move to the bottom of the page where I'm going to brush letter in the word meals and then cover that up using the paint swatches. And then, you know what, last week I didn't even write in BLD, and it actually didn't look too bad. I don't mind that, but you know what, I think I'm gonna go ahead and write that in. So then moving to the central part of this spread, and there goes Lucy barking like crazy. Now that Lucy is done barking at the Amazon Prime guy, I'll go ahead in here and write in my work shifts using my Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen. I brush letter in the word work, and again cover that with the corresponding paint swatch. As you can see, I am making each day a different color, and I love that. I did the same thing with the watercolor roses week, and I love how it turned out. So then once I get all of the paint swatches down, then I use the different fountain pens with the different inks to draw in the arrows for each day. So now I'm going to go in and actually start writing things that need to happen. So firstly, we have a phone call or a Microsoft Teams appointment with I guess a psychologist on Monday. So this is from Green Darner Designs. These are absolutely adorable. And I love that she has a blue bow because then it matches perfectly well with the day. And then I'm going to write in my to-do list. Now I'm wondering where to write in my to-do list because I know I'm going to use up this portion for watching a movie with my husband. So maybe I'm going to put in the to-do list up here. And the to-do list is the same every week, every Monday. It is meal plan and order groceries. Perfect. And then there's still enough room. Ooh, groceries. For a sticker here for me to take Lucy on a walk. And then Tuesday, let's move this out of the way. Tuesday is Tuesday's not garbage day, but Tuesday is the day that my husband takes the garbages out. So let's find the appropriate sticker. Here we go. I'm trying to use up as many of these as possible because I have tons of these. I went a little crazy with all of the emoji purchasing. Who can relate to that? So put out garbage. Okay. Crap. I already made a mistake. So that work sticker has to come up because Robin has a psychologist appointment. How am I going to do that? Because if I try and lift that up, I don't have any undo. And I can try and lift that up. I hate wasting a sticker as well. Okay, it's coming up okay. All right. Actually, I'm pretty proud of that coming up. Okay, so then I'm going to actually use my whiteout and cover that because I probably won't start work until about 12. And then this means my break is going to be broken in two. And the fountain pen is going to do weird things to that. So that is easy enough. But this going down, oh, that's not too bad. Okay. Then what I need to do is find a sticker to cover that because I don't think I'll be able to write over it. So I have quite a few different colors from Coffee Monsters Co. I ordered all of them, her rainbow functional doodles. That day is pink. Ugh. I don't want something too flowery. I want something very simple. This one. So just do this. Now see, I love how that looks though. 10 o'clock, Robin. Not CCBT. Okay. Aw, see, look at that easy fix. Love that stickers can fix almost anything. Am I still in frame? Okay. And then, now I have a big pile of stickers in front of me. Then Thursday is our usual grocery pickup day. My husband does the picking up of the groceries because during that time I am still working. So he has the lovely job of bringing them in. I do love click and collect. It makes grocery shopping so much easier. I do miss actually going into a grocery store, but It's just so much simpler doing click and collect. And then nothing on for Friday that I know of. Oh, just remembered that Robin also has a rehearsal that day. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we're gonna use a blue sticky. Ooh, ooh, that didn't come up right. And that's gonna cause issues. So we'll use this one. And she's got a rehearsal. Oh no. Do I really care if that sticker? Okay. I apologize already for the length of this video. But you guys understand, like, sticker woes when something doesn't go down where you want it to go down. So Robin has 2 rehearsals. She's gonna have Monday and, wow. Rehearsal. Okay. And then I'm gonna have to put it down for here as well. Ooh. She has a lot going on this week. Okay, I need to regroup here. I'm going to use one of these instead to write down Robin's rehearsal, because she ends up getting picked up by my mom and it runs over grocery pickup time. So I'm just gonna write very tiny, 5:30 Robin, R-E-H. It's crazy when we have that many things going on. And then it's not Tuesday, but I think Wednesday my husband is going to take her to archery. So we'll use a pink one. Wow. She does have a lot going on this week. So let's see what time that she'll want to go. Probably between like 6:30 and 7:30. And if they decide not to go, because it's kind of first come first serve type of thing. Ooh, actually, that's turning out really, really well. So the mistakes that I've had have been covered up very, very well with a sticker. So let's move on to Saturday. And then the actual performance is on the Friday. Oh my gosh. And I have to find a way to be able to make it. The thing is, it's a performance at church, and my parents are very active within our church community, and they're the ones who kind of volunteered Robin for this. And I have no idea what's going on, so I'll try and make it. I really, really want to. Robin's performance. I love these mini paint swatches. They make a huge difference. Okay, so next we'll move to Saturday, and Saturday Henry has wall climbing from 10 to 11:30. And during that time I love to watch him, but I think I'm going to take him out on a little date as well after that. You know, we'll have a mommy-son date. I don't know what we're going to do yet, but there'll be something. And then I'm going to probably have, I say wine night, but team happy hour. Because I try to do one with my team once every month, because it's just nice to get together and talk about something not work related. And we say that, but we still do talk about stuff that's work related. So team happy hour. And that's also about the same time that I do laundry. So laundry and team happy hour night go hand in hand. My team know this very well. They actually make fun of me because they're like, Karina, you're multitasking. And I'm like, that's what I normally do. I normally task folding laundry with team happy hour. Now, most of Saturday is still empty, and I'm gonna put this out there because I was just talking to Adrian earlier today, and I'm gonna give a cute little shout out to Frankie and Mick if they're watching, and say that, you know, if Adrian is free on Saturday afternoon the 21st, you know, we could meet up for brunch, and then she could see some of the stationery goodies that I have that she is more than welcome to, I don't know, reply back, Adrian, when you can. Okay. Oh, I still need this. Okay, and then Sunday is cleaning day. Again, I need to order more of these Paper Bits Co. stickers because she's so cute. So Paper Bits Co. What color is that? Blue. And it is our usual cleaning day, but I'm hoping, like, I have a cleaner coming on the Saturday. I'm filming this on the Friday, the 13th, and we have a cleaner coming on tomorrow, the 14th. And I'm hoping that having like a Sunday off of cleaning will just help the stress levels a little bit. But I also have to say that due to your guys' support of my sticker shop, I'm able to afford a cleaner, you know, and I'm so thankful for that. It's such a small thing, but it makes a huge difference to our family. Switches and handles. Okay, so that is the whole spread. There's so much color to it. I love it. I don't think I want to add any more just as of yet. I kind of want to leave it as is and see how the week goes. But for the rest of the week as well, I will be filming my daily spreads using these stickers, and I'm so excited to use these. I love these stickers so much. All right, let's remove this so you guys can actually see what it looks like without the blue background. Oh, I love it. All right, thank you guys for sticking around with all like the little mistakes that were happening in there, but I think it looks really cute. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. I love having little chats with you guys, letting me know what you think, what works, what doesn't work, things like that. And again, I appreciate every single one of you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have yourselves a great day.